Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add money to Payoneer. So if you want to add some amount to your Payoneer account, actually there is no exact right ways of doing this, but I'll show you a workaround on how to get this done. So log into your Payoneer account, and once you have logged into your Payoneer account, so what you're going to do, you're going to simply send a payment request to a friend or any of your family members who is on Payoneer. So what you're going to do that, just send a payment request. So click on get paid and then go to payment request, and then here just type in the email address of the person, whoever your friend or someone that you're going to send it to, and then type in the amount that you wish to add on your account. So once you've done, then for description you can just put any description, and then what you're going to do, you're going to hit on request payment option. So this will send a request payment to this person here. So in this case I'll just send it to my alternate email address. So I've sent it to my second email address. So here that's the payment request. So just open it up, and then what I have to do is simply click on pay now, and then I just have to log into my Payoneer account. So in case if you send it to a different person, so that person needs to log into their Payoneer account and then just pay and then get the payment done to your account. So you can ask them to pay the account. So that will be, in that way you will be able to receive the amount on your Payoneer account. So that's pretty much it is. So hope this information was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another